Okay, welcome to another bonus edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Here we go. It's June. What to do with those old chairs you are about to throw away? You know what? Children next door are screaming in the swimming pool, so sorry about that. But here we go. You might have seen my Amish chairs that I painted around the pool. I had a chair or two I was going to throw away, and I thought, you know what? Maybe I've actually got too much white on here, but I can take care of that with a little purple or a little something going on. But I decided instead of throwing this chair away, I would throw some multicolored paint on it and see what we can do. So you can see what I typically do here. I like to buy, good paint, Sherwin-Williams here from Lowe's. I like to throw on some old mechanics gloves to keep the paint off of my hands. And my wife's been bragging on me, but I'm like, hey, a lot of drips and everything going on here, but it's okay, it's okay. I do have a lot of multicolors going on. So if you do have a chair you're about to toss, and either in your garage or somewhere you have a bunch of paint, different colored paint, go ahead and throw some paint on it and see what you can do. So let's just look and see how the Amish chairs are doing from Amish country in Tennessee. This I'm calling my lifeguard chair. I'm going to work on it, but you can see it sets up high, and I've double coated it with white paint. I'm going to put a life preserver ring on it there and be able to toss it out here in the pool if someone needs it. And then of course my Adirondack chairs over here, trying to talk above my neighbor's pool. It seems like a pool, when we first moved in here we had the only pool, but now my two neighbors have put in a pool with children, and it's pretty loud. We have grandchildren. I guess when they're here, it's loud as well. So anyway, these are the colors I did for my Adirondack chairs, and really loving them. They're very comfortable. You can be a two-fisted drinker here, obviously. And they came from Amish country there in Tennessee, just south of Nashville. So here we go around. I really like these barrel back chairs. These are a little bit different than the chairs over there. It's probably hard for you all to tell. Those over there are for people maybe 6 foot tall or longer. If you look carefully, you can see that the seat is a lot deeper than these seats over here. But there you have it, Rod's Random Reviews. If you want to spice up your pool area, and you want to look like you're in the Bahamas, you want to look like you're in Florida, you want to look like you're on vacation, whatever the case may be, throw a little color out there. And my painting is slightly below average, maybe significantly below average, but from a distance it's hard to tell that my painting is below average, especially for an old chair that it's wooden and that sort of thing that we were about to throw away. No rhyme or reason to the colors here. Maybe I should have given it more thought and sketched it out, but you know how it is with Rod's Random Reviews. What you see is what you get, first takes. And I don't plan anything out. I don't plan my videos out. I just tell them as I see them. So hopefully you enjoyed the screaming in the background of my neighbor's girls. They're all must be, pre-elementary school and that sort of thing. But maybe there's a party going on. I don't know. But thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. I tell you what, these reviews are, I've been saying, getting more random by the episode. And I do have a very, very random review coming up. You ladies and men are going to perhaps enjoy, but you're going to find it interesting, at least I would think. So subscribe and like, and there's no telling what episode number, I don't know whatever it is. But yeah, thanks for, gosh, over 250, over 250,000 views for this Silly Rod's Random Reviews. And I'm well on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So my goal is, when I retire in about 3 or 4 years, is to make enough money off of YouTube to be able to buy one cup of Starbucks coffee per month. So you can figure out the math on that. And there is a chance I'll get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you halfway like these videos that are unedited, please like and subscribe, and tell your friends to support my coffee habit in my retirement. Thanks for watching Rod's Very Random Reviews. Bye now.